Hi, my name is Zing Wang, and in this demonstration I'm going to show you how the speech recognition works to recognize your speaking. Sometimes we don't speak like Americans. There's a reason behind it. So let me show you why the reason behind it. Okay. Here I'm going to type a short phrase like spell it. Okay, when you just spell it as two words, usually the pronunciation patterns have a hard time, or the speech recognition will have a hard time to recognize your pronunciation. It also applies to phrase like make it. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the speech recognition and give a try. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here. I'm going to turn on the speech recognition. Now I'm going to say the word make it. Make it. Make it. Make it. Okay, you see how I said it? Instead I said make it, I said make it. So I link those two together. If you look at the phonetic information right here, actually we make it as one pronunciation. And if you can read them, it will be make it. Okay, make it. That's called sound linking. We have a sound linking rules in this program, and you can learn from it. If you want to learn sound linking, simply come here and choose accent tips, and you will learn more about sound linking. So we're gonna do some more similar exercise. Just give a try, okay? Spell it. Spell it. Spell it. Spell it. You can see that when I say spell it, you will recognize it as a correct pronunciation, and it says I got the as a spell it 3 times. But when I say instead of say spell it, I say spell it. You see, the speech recognition think I said a short phrase as spell it as 2 words. So let's give another try. Okay, we're gonna do a different exercise. Win it. 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 Well, you can see that the speech recognition have a hard time recognizing I said win it. So maybe there's I don't pronounce them correctly. Or maybe there's something wrong with you just think I said win it, because they're very similar. Win it and win it is very similar. So sometimes you don't want to get frustrated and just try something new. Okay, sometimes maybe you just want to record yourself. For example, win it. And if you do that, the program automatically save that information for you in the progress report. And right here, and you always can play them back. Okay, or if you want, you also can add a word and you will add into your word list, and you also can find them easily. Just simply type W, and it will automatically find the words for you. Okay, so let's try something else. Okay, let's try get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, have it, have it, have it, love it, love it, love it, farm it, farm it, farm it, farm it, behind it, behind it, behind it, bag it, bag it, bag it, bag it, bag it, bag it. Okay, you can see that for the small words like it, and when there's another words in front of it, you always want to link them together, set as one word instead as two words, and it will really help you to speak like American. Of course, when you try to emphasize it, you always can pause it. For example, you want to say, I'm gonna have it. Okay, so you emphasize the word it. So since we have a time constraint on this video, so I'm gonna stop on this lesson on how to say the small words like it, and you can download off from free trial and give a try yourself, see how it works if you have the speech recognition engine installed on your computer, or for example if you are Vista or 7 users, English version user, you shall automatically have this feature. Anyway, so I hope you enjoying this small tip on how to speak like American. I think it is very important. Sometimes that's why people don't think you speak like American. That's the reason behind it. And of course they will understand you, but it's just if you want to really speak like American, you want to try some small exercise like this. And okay, I hope you enjoying this demonstration, and email me if you have any comments, and have a good day. Bye.